Banday ka pa po yun.
Tama. Pa isa. Sino iwan niya? Siyam lang, apat na natira. Si Doc. Uy! Doc. Wala ako. One, two, three, four. Sino pa isa nyo? Dito. Para next.
The corner. 2 points para Igala. Two points para Jersey number 32. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 45. Tumira wala, nariwan ng jersey number 28. Pinigil jersey number 4. Jersey number 9, Divina 3, wala, nariwan ng Santiago. Jersey number 12, 2 points. Jersey number 25, nagmamadali. Tumira, wala. Naripon pa rin yan. 2 points para Jersey number 25. Wala. Tumira, wala. Nariwan Jersey number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points para Jersey number 10. Jersey number 28, 2 points. Official score 8-4 in favor of RL Garden. Jersey number 45, 3 points. Seconds to shoot. Paraiso. Tumira, wala. Good for 2 para Jersey number 32. Back-to-back T para Jersey number 45. Official score, all 10. Shot clock 40 seconds to shoot. Santiago Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nariwan ni Jersey number 28, ni Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, binigay Bautista, binigay Paraiso, Tumira. 2 points para kay Paraiso. Seconds to shoot. Santiago, Santiago, 10 seconds to shoot. Santiago, Wala, nariwa ni Galang. Basket count. Foul, jersey number 28, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para kay Galang. Change favor. Official score 13-12 in favor of Madera. First personal foul, second team foul. Santiago. 14 seconds to shoot, binigay jersey number 10. Para 2 points. Paraiso. Mira. 2 points para Paraiso. Official score 15-14 in favor of Madera. Oras natin 9 minutes and 20. Jersey number 25, Paraiso. Tumira, 2 points para kay Paraiso. Change favor. Santiago tumira ng dress. Wala. Nariwa ni Paraiso. Binigay kay Paraiso. Paraiso, 2 points. Foul vivo. Paraiso binigay kay Bautista pero nakuha ni Bautista. Nakuha ni Banimit. Phil Santiago. Santiago 2 points. Timeout, Aral Garden. Official score 8. Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Santiago tumira na arribo ng Galang. Tumira na wala mo din. Arribo ni Santiago. Tumira 2 points para kay Santiago. Change favor. Paraiso 2 points. Timeout, Madera. Official score 22. Still, binigay Paraiso. 2 points para kay Paraiso. Maningip. Tumira. Wala, pero nakuha ni Paraiso. Binigay kay Paraiso. 2 points. Exactly 60 minutes. Paraiso 2 points. Official score 28-19 in favor of RL Garden. Ang minute binigay kay Abuel. Binigay dito si number 18. Navarro. Olera tumira. Wala na rin ni Bautista. Bautista tumira ng dress. Wala na rin ni white ball. Ay, dark ball. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Polyare tumira ng dress. Wala. Polero tumira ulit. Wala. Pati na rin ni Bautista. Binigay kay Lazaro. 14 seconds to shoot. Bautista tumira 2 points. 3 minutes and 50. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Raja 2 points. Navarro binigay kay Paraiso tumira 2 points para Paraiso. Pero may foul. Gusto mo na? First personal foul, 13 foul. First round ba rin ito wala? Bautista. Binigay kay Lazaro, binigay kay Paraiso. 10 seconds to shoot, 2 minutes. Galang tumira 2 points para Galang. Official score 32-23 in favor of RL Garden. Bautista. 14 seconds to shoot. Lazaro tumira 2 points para Lazaro. 1 minute and 30. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. As well, 2 points. Navarro. Tumira 2 points para Navarro. 1 minute. Seconds. 2 points para Abuel. 40 seconds. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Paraiso tumira ng tres, wala. 30 seconds. Two-point shot na iso. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.8. 5.8. Buzzer na lang. 5 seconds. End of the first quarter, official score 38-29 in favor of RL Garden. Back to the ball game. Second quarter.
Yes, baka malito ka, pinagbaliktad ko na, pero sasabihin ko.
Bautista tumira, wala na. Real jersey number 10. Wara. Ten seconds to shoot. Santiago tumira ng tres. Santiago wala. Nakahuli si Santiago. 2 points para kay Santiago.
30-30. Kaya baliktad.
Ang bilan, binigay kay Lazaro, binigay kay Bautista. 14 seconds to shoot. Bautista. 2 points para kay Bautista. Bautista, umigot, Bautista, wala. Lockhold. 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Santiago, 3. 6-point lead para sa RL Garden. Seconds to shoot. Castil. Jersey number 10 binigay kay Santiago. Santiago may tulad ng tres. Santiago tumira, wala. Carry with jersey number 10 tumira. 2 points. Malimit tumira ng tres. 2 points. Santiago, 3 points. Paraiso, 2 points. Official score 45-39 in favor of RL Garden. Cora winning kay jersey number 10, 2 points. 4-point lead. Lazaro tumira. Wala, narinig jersey number 10. Binigay kay Santiago, Santiago. Tumira ng tres. Santiago, 3 points. 1-point lead.
Isa na lang tawag niya.
Bautista tumira ng 3. Bautista, 3. Guara. Binigay Valerio, tumira ng 3. Valerio wala. Na-rebound ni Crucio number 9. Binigay kay Nako pa rin niya. Castillo Guara, Guara. Santiago tumira ng 3. Santiago, 3. 1 point lead. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Lazaro tumira wala. Narinig ni Valerio. Guara tumira wala. Pero may foul on jersey number. Substitution. First personal foul, first team foul. Paraiso binigay kay Navarro. Binigay Maningit, tumira ng 3. Wala. Narinig ni jersey number 23. Binigay kay Santiago. Santiago tumira ng 3. Santiago, 3. Change favor. Official score 50-48 in favor of Madera. Traveling. Injury timeout. Back to the ball game. Santiago tumira pero wala na rin Paraiso. Eric. Ako ni Paraiso. Paraiso tumira. Wala. Narinig naman.
Red connection.
Jersey number 23 tumira. Wala na rebound. Pante. White ball.
Sa ere.
Lazaro tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Paraiso tumira. Wala pa rin. Narinig ni Morales. Santiago. Window ng 3 tumira. Wala. White ball.
Stop.
Wait lang sir, nabigyan na yung bola. Red Bull na lang po.
Paraiso. Binigay Maningit. Nagtangka. Narinig pa rin ni Paraiso. Santiago all alone, 2 points. 4 point lead para sa Madera. Narinig ni Pante. Pinigiging Santiago. Pinigiging si number 23. Over niya, 14 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Santiago tumira ng 3, wala. Substitution. Same ball, shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Galang 2 points. 6-point lead para sa Madera. Galang 2 points. Timeout. RL Garden. Official score 56-48 in favor of Madera. Wala na pang tanot ang RL Garden. Ang Madera may isa pa. Five minutes. Lazaro binigay Paraiso, tumira 2 points para kay Paraiso. Single. Shot clock 20 seconds. Paraiso tumira. Wala, naribot ang pante. Binigay kay Galang. Galang binigay kay Morales. 2 points. Navarro. Binigay kay Bautista, 14 seconds to shoot. Bautista tumira. Wala, naribot Maningit, binigay kay Lazaro. Lazaro tumira, wala pa rin. Nariba ni Bautista tumira, wala pa din. Nariba ni Impante. 2 minutes to 15. 2 points. Official score 60-50 in favor of Madera. Maningit tumira, wala. Nariba ni Morales. Binigay kay Maningit. Binigay kay Galang, 2 points. Two minutes. Still Galang. 2 points. One minute and 30. Balik tumira ng grass. Wala. Morales 2 points. 16-point lead para sa team ng Madera. 1 minute and 10. Substitution. Foul on jersey number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. Tuloy tayo para kay Bautista. First team ni Bautista. Pasok. Exactly 1 minute. Galang. Tumira. 2 points para kay Galang. 50 seconds. 2 points para kay Paraiso. 40 seconds. Laja tumira. Wala. Pero nakakuha ni Dice tumira. Wala pa rin. Ariyo ni Bautista. 25 seconds. Binigay kay Paraiso, tumira si Paraiso, 2 points. Shot clock is up, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Passer na lang. End of the first half. Official score 68-55 in favor of Madera.
Mamaya na dyan. Pagka... Uy! Ulan, uy! Ay, magtutugma na tayo. Pinindin pa na third quarter. Ano, boss?
Third quarter. Santiago tumira ng press. Wala na, arriba ni Bautista. Binigay kay Paraiso. Binigay kay jersey number 12, tumira 2 points. Arriba ni Justin Navarro na ba? Binigay kay Paraiso. Binigay kay jersey number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 12. 5 seconds to shoot. Santiago. Tumira 2 points para Santiago. Navarro 2 points. Official score 70-59 in favor of Madera. Bora. Binigay kay Santiago 14 seconds to shoot. Abuel 2 points. Foul.
18.
Foul of jersey number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw, masuk. Throw, wala. Valerio 2 points. Paraiso 14 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Paraiso, binigay kay Bautista, 10 seconds to shoot. Bautista tumira 2 points para Bautista. 12-point lead para sa team ng Madera. Valerio tumira ng 3. Wala na, arriba ni Bautista, binigay kay Paraiso. Binigay kay Bantilan tumira. Wala, arriba ni Paraiso. Shot clock. Santiago 2 points. Bantilan. Binigay Bautista tumira ng 3. Bautista 2 points. 11-point lead. Seconds to shoot. Santiago tumira pero wala. Narinig ni Bora binigay kay Santiago tumira. Wala pa rin. Table, shot clock, 9 seconds to shoot. Nine seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Paraiso, 2 points. Santiago, 2 points. The official score 80-67 in favor of Madera. Paraiso 2 points. Substitution reps. Manila 47 to shoot, binigay kay Paraiso tumira 2 points para kay Paraiso. 9-point lead.
Sir, sub kayo, sir.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Santiago tumira ng 3. Santiago wala. Nakuha ni Impante. Impante pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Second personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Galang pero may foul. Down on the floor. First personal foul, second team foul. Eight minutes. 2 points. Seven-point lead. Timeout, Madera. The official score 80-75 in favor of Madera. And back to the ball game. Block ball.
Seven minutes.
Galang to
Ganun
ball.
lang.
nariwan ng Infante, binigay kay Galang. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala, nariwan ng Infante, tumira. 2 points. Galang 2 points.
Baba! Harap! Lapit! Lapit!
Lazaro, tumira wala, nariwan ng Infante. Binigay kay Galang, Galang. Binigay kay sinabi 0-0, tumira wala.
Kapila kasi yun eh.
Raja tumira wala, nariwan ni Bautista. Shot block. Shot block, 18 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 minutes. Ten seconds to shoot. 2 points para kay Nadia. Four minutes and 30. Two points. 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution. Official score 88-81 in favor of Madera. Official score 88-81 in favor of Madera. Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot.
Po.
10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Official score 88-83 in favor of Madera. Galang. Binigay kay
Tersani!
14 seconds to shoot.
Tersani! Tama mo.
2 points.
Stop.
Sir, bawal pa. Ano, dead ball.
Nice! No! Sa kapila yun eh. Sa kanan yun. Kaliwa eh. Nice!
In front of 2 points. 5-point lead. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Bautista tumira ng press. Wala, narinig ng Infante.
Nice!
2 points. 2 minutes.
Kaya mo na, Mike! Kaya mo na! Ba, Mike! Stop ball, stop ball!
One minute and 30. Gun 2 points. 1 minute and 20.
Ano? Ito, mapipante.
2 points. 1 minute. 11-point lead. Enemy foul.
Stop.
Substitution. Foul on jersey number 53. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Not counted.
Yeah.
50 seconds.
Isa pa.
Oh, dito. Uy!
Good.
Guys!
30 seconds.
Atras ka! Atras! Kimpa mo daw. Nice one. Nice foul.
Foul on jersey number 15. First personal foul, 13 foul, shot clock 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. Basket count. Order shot. Order shot, pasok. Shot clock is up. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. End of the third quarter, official score 98-88 in favor of Madera. Fourth quarter. Shooting sa tumira, wala na narinig ni Morales. Morales binigay kay Santiago. Binigay kay Santiago tumira na 3. Santiago, 3. Seconds to shoot. Navarra 2 points. Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Navarro binigay kay Bautista. Bautista, 2 points para kay Bautista. Santiago nag-foul ulit. Santiago. Step back. Pero wala na. Rin yung basketball. Binigay kay Lazaro. Binigay. Outlet pass. 2 points para kay Bautista. Time out! Madera. Back to the ball game. Sumira wala. Wala pa rin. Pero may foul. 2 foul mo rin.
Bola.
First personal foul. First team foul. Zana Sumira wala. Cover niya. Jump ball. Save ball. Shot clock 12 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Sumira wala. White ball. Pangikit. Binigay kay Lazaro. Sumira. Nakakuha ni Gascon. Pero may foul. Jersey number 19. First personal foul, first team foul. Hari ini Bautista binigay kay Navarro, binigay kay Pangikit. Fonte Sumira, 2 points. Bautista Sumira en 3, wala. Outlook pass kay Santiago, step back. Wala na, rin yung jersey number 9, binigay kay Five seconds to shoot.
Sama.
Substitution. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 2 points para jersey number 0. Official score 105-94 in favor of Madera. Oras natin 9 minutes and 35 seconds para sa ating final quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on jersey number Score 0-0. Substitution.
First personal foul.
First personal foul, second team foul. First row, wala. By lead. Basket count. Second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot, pasok. Official score 108.95 in favor of Madera. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul goes to number 45, first personal foul. Two set tayo. Bautista 2 points. 6 minutes and 40. Seconds to shoot. 2 points para Igala. Two points. 11-point lead para sa team ng Madera. Tumira wala. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Para isa 2 points. 9-point lead. Official score 110-101 in favor of Madera. Disponte. Two points. Five minutes. Stay wall shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Two points para Santiago. Official score 114-101 in favor of Madera. Single. Shot clock 15 seconds to shoot. Four minutes, 10 seconds to shoot. Infante 2 points. team ball. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 2 points. Seconds to shoot. Ponte Rivera 2 points. Blocking foul, substitution. Foul jersey number 10. Second personal foul, warning or penalty. Injury timeout. Back to the ball game. Paraiso 2 points. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Raja bigay maraming pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 15. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Penalty tayo, penalty. Santiago, 3. Last 2 minutes. Timeout. Madera. Foul jersey number 28 as well. Last draw para Paraiso. Wala pa rin, narinig Paraiso. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Tumira wala. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. One minute and 30. Seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute.
Depensa!
50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 40 seconds. Paraiso 3-point. 30 seconds. Raja Dumira Andres wala. Tora Dumira wala hore dari Paraiso. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. 2 points. 10-point lead. 10 seconds.
Tira, tira! Hey!
5 seconds. And that's the fourth quarter official score 125-115 winner Madera.
Tyson! Best player mo ba yan?
Best player of the game wearing jersey number 11 Zara.
Patawaran namin ng
Oo, ano sa buho?
Gabi ba sa isip mo eh? Pero sa gilid ko. Ito lang.
Tama doon.
Laki yung lumina dyan.